Hello everyone, in front of me is Oppo A77s and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first open the settings, then go to Personalizations and click on Wallpapers. And now you can either choose something from your album, like photo album, or you can choose one from the default wallpapers. So, for example, if you wish to pick this one, smoothly tap to see how it looks on your screen. Obviously you can see all pictures that you can use here, just to see which you like the most. And once you have the one that you want to apply as your wallpaper, mark it, tap on apply, and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And I would like to pick this third option, and that's it. As you can see from now on, the picture is assigned to both your home and lock screens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.